welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a collaboration with Bumby's DIY, and it is to show off your three-tiered cake stand. So today we're going to be going in the kitchen and getting multiple things and trying to make a cake stand since I don't own a three-tiered cake stand. So come on, let's get creative with me and get started. Kim knows a lot, as she is a mother, teacher, consumer, and an unboxer and reviewer. She is going to share with you what to buy and what not to buy. So ta-da! There is my three-tier cake stand using things around the house. I think it kind of turned out cute. I don't know if it's really usable, but I think it turned out okay. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it and check everybody else's videos down below who participate in the playlist. And hit that subscribe button if you're new. And I'll see you next time. Bye!